Yeah, baby, time to go see the lighthouse. Oh, we gotta wait for Ray Ray. Look at this view, huh? Is that something else or what? Wait till you see this lighthouse. Bonus video. Bonus. Man, there is a lot of crap on the outside of this lane, huh? How cool is that? Friendly and waved us through. This is the lighthouse at Sandy Hook Beach. Little bonus video. I'm looking at it, I'm going to tear it to pieces. Get to the chopper! And so I've been to Sandy Hook before many times. I've never been to this lighthouse. I'm guessing it's down by the barracks. Look at that, huh? What a friggin' day. It's beautiful out. My head's so big when I have this helmet on, I probably look like Darth Helmet. That's why she was smiling. She sees this helmet and all she could think is
ludicrous speed.
That's right, ludicrous speed. Ah, the warmth is here. We're at the beach. Sandy Hook. Look at that, huh? What a nice friggin' day this is. We're just over at Moby's, man. Had a friggin' killer meal. Never been down here. This is was Yanni's suggestion. I should say I haven't been on this road. I've been past these barracks before. Taking it easy. There's a lot of people on bikes, and you don't want to be an ass clown come ripping through here, freaking scare somebody. God, there just had to be one of them. The spandex sport? Spandex up to the T. Some say that suit gives him special powers. I just think it doesn't. Here we are, man. Look at this lighthouse. Turny McTurn turn here. Watch, put your bike in there. We're leaving the lighthouse here. We were back by this last time. I didn't even realize it. Talking to a gentleman that was stationed here in the 80s and 90s. And yeah, it was still in use into the 90s, and then he said there was some housing that Coast Guard personnel were using, and now there's some park service people that live here. Oh, hazardous area. Yeah, okay, so we'll just go back into hazardous area. Turkey vulture. Some bitch. There's some more sites here. Battery Potter, whatever the hell that means. I think this is the restaurant we ate at last year. Oh yeah, it is. And I don't know that you can get out. Road closed. Fantastic. Would you expect anything else from one of my videos? This guy's taking us all sorts of places we can't go. You're gonna go in the coast off? The coast office. It says exit. I think this is gonna be promising. Yeah, Coast Guard's still here. Wouldn't be one of my videos unless I left the sound on the phone and somebody went in and out of the house. Wishing I had the Pan Am right about now. Some serious off-road in there. Go in that house. Yeah, look at all these fishing boats out there. Oh wow, what's running? Yeah, man, cool little video going to the lighthouse. If you like my videos, if you give it the thumbs up or leave a comment, I appreciate it. Drop my videos 3 p.m. Wednesday and Friday. I hope you'll come back next week and check out another video.